再造。咁其實呢個字唔係淨係用喺fashion 嘅，其實好多唔同嘅物料都可以 upcycling， 都可以升級製造再造。升級再造其實意思就係我哋將一啲棄置嘅嘢啦、唔要嘅嘢啦，我哋加上我哋嘅創意，重用佢，重新再用佢。咁同 recycle 有啲分別嘅 ，recycle 係循環再用。我哋可能咧將呢啲物料咧再打散佢，再重做另一個形態。咁但係升級再造咧，其實唔需要經過咁複雜嘅，就係用我哋嘅創意去諗下辦法，點樣可以再用呢啲咁嘅東西咯。香港同其他城市都一樣，咁有好多紡織廢料，亦都有好多嘅固體廢物。咁先講呢啲廢物會去咗邊啦，大部分都會去咗堆填區嘅。咁我哋身後即係都有一個好大型嘅堆填區啦。咁據環保署最新嘅數據咧，喺2011年咧，原來我哋每日咧加埋工業啦同埋家居啦，係掉咗217噸嘅紡織廢料去堆填區嗰度。咁堆填區呢啲咁樣嘅垃圾，呢啲紡織廢料咧，其實佢要經過好長時間咧，先至可以分解嘅。咁喺分解嘅過程咧，咁會有一啲污水會污染個地下水質啦。另外咧，佢會釋放一啲沼氣，咁亦都係會造成全球暖化嘅問題嘅。咁仲有其他好多唔同嘅問題啦。咁呢啲咧都係直接影響緊我哋嘅環境。
Waste is a serious problem in the world. You know, we come from maybe 25 years of over-consuming and overproduction. So even though I'm not against fast fashion, I'm not against fashion being democratic and available to all, nevertheless I do feel that over the last few years we've lost touch with any kind of common sense. So we tend to buy and throw away and produce more and more textiles, and we're not really looking after the planet in a way that is sustainable. Upcycling is a very immediate way to understand that something else can be done with textile waste. What's exciting about it is that it's a very creative way to do something about it. So again, going back to the students, it makes them interested, it makes them more creative, it somehow opens up their design world. I think that this is what upcycling is, a design solution to an environmental challenge. And I know that it's very, very early days, and it will take a while for this to be recognized and practiced in a larger scale. Nevertheless, we are seeing companies such as Tesco and Topshop, we've worked with both, and Speedo, and now even Esprit in China, really exploring upcycling as a viable option for the future. First of all, I was really honored to be asked by Prudence to be a part of this. I respect and admire Prudence very much for all the hard work that she's doing, and I love her aesthetics. So to be a part of this was really amazing for me. And it's a continuation of something that I started last year with the Hong Kong Design Institute, who invited me to take some seminars and workshops there. It's very, very important for me to work with students, because I very much believe that obviously the future is with them. And particularly in relation to upcycling, I'm seeing such enthusiasm and such a real, really, really wanting to be a part of this movement. So I can only be thankful. And then obviously, thank you to MTR for putting up this amazing thing, in the Telford Plaza. But most of all, having the vision to create a really different Christmas spirit, because this is really a whole new story. Happiness is many, many things. Anything from my children to a beautiful sunny day, flowers and color. But today, here, happiness to me is collaboration. Happiness is sharing knowledge, sharing information, sharing fabrics, and creating something beautiful with it.